So now we are going to begin immunity breathing, and by the power of immunity breathing, you will increase your immunity by 10x. And in this process, what we have to do 30 times. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. You have to check that while you will do breathe in, breathe out, how your spinal cord will expand like this. And while you will exhale and bend your spinal cord forward. And when you will inhale, bend your spinal cord backward. While you will exhale, inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth. So continuously do this 30 times. We are not merely expanding our hand. With the expansion of our hand, we are filling our lungs. And while we are squeezing our hand, we are exhaling from our mouth. And do this with lots of calmness, lots of focus, just with your entire being. And in your 30th breath, what you have to do, in your 30th breath, completely exhale from your mouth. And at this time, your spinal cord should not bend. It should keep straight. And only what you have to do, you have to do 3 bandhas. This is known as the Mahabandh. Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. Means, Mool Bandh means what? You have to squeeze your anus and lift it upward. And squeeze your belly button, suck inside and chin lock like this. And hold this as much as you can hold. This is known as Bahe Kumbhak. While exhaling outside and holding your breath is known as Bahe Kumbhak. And the moment you are squeezing your anus, squeezing your belly button and chin lock, means you are closing 3 places from where air can enter within and air can come outside. Only the 3 places through which the air can enter inside your body is navel, your anus and your nostril. Nostril and oral cavity have a common opening. So what you did, you have already closed this like this. And the moment you are unable to hold, take a recovery breath. And just by taking merely a recovery breath, don't release it. Just take breath and again hold it within. Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. This time again you are locking it at 3 places. Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. 3 Mahabandhas. And at this time you don't need to hold it so longer. Just after 10 seconds, you have to start tapping at your navel, tapping at your neck and tapping at your crown. So this is the complete 1 cycle of the immunity breathing. And by this, actually what is happening inside your body, you are creating hypoxia intentionally within. Hypoxia means lack of oxygen you are creating. And the moment you are creating hypoxia within, what is happening to your body? That is why this is known as blissful hypoxia. Because all the Kurkut cells, cancer cells, bacteria, viruses, protozoans, and whatsoever the microorganisms are increasing their colony within, Actually, they are increasing their colony in the conducive environment while you are breathe in and breathe out. But the moment you are exhaling and holding your breath outside, that situation is very, very uncomfortable for your microorganisms, and the cell which is abruptly growing somewhere and making some tumor and some carcinogenic effect. All the Kurkut cells and all the cancer cells become deprived of the thing what you are actually giving to them. At that moment, what will happen? All the microorganisms will start leaving your body because they feel that something is not happening good with the body, because no one can hold their breath so long and make their body hypoxic. That is why this is known as blissful hypoxia. But the brain is very, very important. Brain is very, very intelligent, and they are releasing the important warriors at that time inside your body. And that warriors will do what? That will create autophagy within, and due to that autophagy, all the unused, all the useless things, all the useless cells become destroyed. Clear? So this type of things you have to repeat 3 times. Is that clear to all of you?